Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reply in a specific message here on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and then log in your account, and then just go ahead and go to messages and open the conversation that you want to reply on. Okay, and then here, as you can see, there's a lot of messages here, and for example, just want to reply in his or her messages that says hi. So just gonna go ahead and swipe that message from left to right, and now you can just go ahead and reply to this message. But in order for this to work, you need to have the latest version of Instagram, and if you don't have one, just go ahead and update your application. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.